Hello everyone, welcome to our video where we discuss the latest trends in indoor plants. And this video we will talk about the top spring indoor plant trends for 2023. With spring just around the corner, it's time to freshen up your indoor space with some new plants. So let's get started. The first trend we will be discussing are small and compact plants. These plants are perfect for those who don't have much space or those who want to create a mini indoor garden. Examples of such plants are succulents, cacti, and hair plants. They are easy to care for, and their unique shapes and colors can add a pop of colors to your home. If you want to make a bold statement, then you should go for a statement plant. These are large plants that make a statement in any room. Some examples of statement plants: fiddle leaf figs, rubber plants, and Monstera deliciosa. These plants are perfect for large living spaces or hallways and can make a big impact on the overall look of your home. Spring is the time for blooming flowers and fruiting plants. These types of plants can bring color and fragrance to your indoor space. Examples of such plants are orchids, citrus trees, and blooming cacti. These plants not only look beautiful, but they also provide fresh air and sense of calmness to your home. Hanging plants. Hanging plants are a great way to add a touch of greenery to any room. They can also be used to create a living wall or as a way to divide a large space. Some examples of hanging plants are English ivy, string of pearls, and spider plants. These plants can add an interesting texture to your space and can be a great way to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Thanks for watching.